Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Tesla Model 3 door handle. Start with the interior door panel. Use a trim removal tool to gently pry it off, working around the edges. Once loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and the door release cable. This provides access to the handle's mounting points. Remember to keep track of all screws and clips for reassembly. With the door panel off, you will see the two 10mm nuts that hold the door handle in place. Use a 10mm socket wrench to carefully loosen and remove these. Be gentle to avoid stripping them. Once the nuts are off, you can begin to separate the handle from its internal linkage. Now, gently pull the door handle outward from the exterior of the car. There might be one or two small electrical connectors still attached to the handle itself, so carefully disconnect those. Make sure all wires and clips are completely free before attempting to fully remove the handle. This prevents any accidental damage to the wiring harness. Once all connections are free, the door handle should slide out completely from its housing. Take a moment to inspect the area for any debris or damage before proceeding. When you are ready to reinstall, simply reverse these steps. Ensure all connections are secure and the door panel is properly seated for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.